Welcome to a beautiful modern wooden home where luxury meets nature in a stunning architectural masterpiece. Step inside this modern estate and explore its secrets, from the dramatic, art-filled great room and the rich, wood-paneled dining hall to the serene master suites and the unique glass-roofed outdoor dining room. Discover how sophisticated design and lush, natural landscapes blend to create the ultimate private sanctuary. See, the exterior of this modern home features a rich wooden facade and a green roof, perfectly framed by mature trees for a secluded, lush escape. The tiled walkway invites you right into the stunning landscape. This is the great room, where drama meets high-end comfort. Custom art panels run the length of the wall, complemented by pops of vibrant color. The room's incredible scale and natural light turn this space into a true gallery setting for sophisticated entertaining. The vast window wall bathes the space in natural light, allowing the textures, from the plush white sectional to the dark, graphic rug, to truly stand out. Next is the formal dining room. A high warm wooden ceiling creates a cozy canopy above the immense matte black dining table, setting a moody and sophisticated tone for memorable dinner parties. Now let's explore the entertainment areas. Here, we find a stylish outdoor bar and lounge area. The raw, textured concrete bar top is a striking counterpoint to the rich wood-slatted ceiling. This space is designed for seamless indoor-outdoor living, perfect for hosting a vibrant party or a relaxed evening. Take a look at this stunning staircase. The design is a work of art, featuring curved wooden slats that create a captivating rhythm and a light, airy path to the home's upper floor. Arriving upstairs, we enter this tranquil master bedroom. It's a bright, peaceful retreat framed by classic molding and bathed in light. It also features a practical built-in desk with clean white joinery, seamlessly blending workspace functionality with a serene, minimalist design. Moving to the second master suite, you'll find a focus on comfort and understated luxury. A warm, wood-paneled feature wall and a dedicated seating area create a sophisticated sanctuary, where details like the plush green ottoman complete the calm aesthetic. Beyond the private quarters is the meticulously designed private gym. It's fully equipped, with warm wooden wall panels and large windows that frame a serene backdrop of lush greenery, transforming your workout into a refreshing experience. Next is the sophisticated art gallery hallway. The intentional design, with its dark walls and focused lighting, creates a dramatic, gallery-like experience perfectly suited for highlighting vibrant artwork. Let's transition back outside. A spacious covered lounge with a warm wooden ceiling provides the perfect setting for relaxation. Nearby, a stunning outdoor dining area on a natural stone terrace maximizes incredible views, creating a tranquil spot for al fresco dining. Finally, for a more intimate experience, this enclosed dining area provides both shelter and style. With its glass roof and lush plants, it feels like a private garden room, perfect for dining while surrounded by nature. Stepping onto the terrace, we appreciate the home's impressive, clean-lined facade and expansive lawn, emphasizing its peaceful isolation. The tour concludes with a unique feature, the magical glass-enclosed corridor, where architectural artistry perfectly meets the natural setting.